Thinking about taking your RYA Day Skipper Theory course online? We've got you covered. Our course follows the new RYA DigitalFirst approach, showing you how to use the modern navigation tools sailors rely on today. You'll get over 50 downloadable resources to back up your learning and use long after you finish. Lessons are animated, engaging and fun, making even tricky topics easy to understand. It's fully interactive too, with hands-on exercises that keep you involved from start to finish. Our chart plotter simulations let you practice real-world skills, helping you turn knowledge into confidence. There are more than 1,000 practice questions, each with a full debrief, so you'll build confidence as you go. And because life gets busy, every lesson is bite-sized. Learn when it suits you, one at a time or in longer sessions when you've got the space. If you ever get stuck, our real instructors are online from 8 to 8, 7 days a week. You can reach us however you like: WhatsApp, Messenger, email, or even a quick call. You'll also have a personal face-to-face debrief to make sure you're on the right track. And our students? They rate us 5 stars for clarity, support and confidence gain. So what are you waiting for? Start your free trial today. No strings, no credit card. Where will your adventure take you?